Welcome. In this Saturday strategy, I'm going to show you a juice cleanse recipe and how to support and detoxify your kidneys so that you can live in optimal health. Let's do this. What do your kidneys do? Well, if you've watched any of our other videos, you know that your kidneys are vitally important to you. They're in charge of cleaning up your blood, they're in charge of managing your water systems in your body, and they work harmoniously with all your other organs. In particular, your liver, to make sure that you're optimized in the best fashion possible. So, what are some signs your kidneys need to be detoxed or cleansed? So a real visible sign is if you're experiencing eczema or acne or skin rashes or anything of that. It's a manifestation externally that's happening internally. So that's one thing. If you're feeling fatigued and tired all the time and you don't really know why, it could be because your kidneys need to be cleansed. You experience weight gain and bloating very easily. If you're getting moody and you don't know why, you're driving down the road and all of a sudden you're upset, you have no clue why you're upset, it could be because there's a hormonal imbalance in your body that's triggered by your kidneys being a little dirty. So there's a lot of things that you can do if you're experiencing any of these symptoms whatsoever. Number one is to juice more delicious nutrients, phytonutrients, enzymes, aminos, different things that are going to boost up your immune system and help heal your kidneys. This recipe I'm creating today is one of those recipes that will really help stimulate your kidneys and help them heal. Now, I'm not saying one juice recipe is going to do this for you. Obviously, there's different protocols designed to assist you and aid you in resurrecting your kidneys and increasing your overall optimal body function. And one of my favorite things to do for my kidneys is to actually do a 5-day detox. You give your body that time to rest. Your digestion system isn't busy breaking down food. It can give you time to heal. The analogy that I like to use, it's like hiring somebody to work outside in your yard and they're digging a ditch every single day for 24 hours. That's the normal digestion process. When you're eating food, it has to break apart the fiber. You have to extract the nutrients. When you juice, it's like going out to your yard and telling that person to take a break. You grab the shovel from them, you hand them the juice, and for 15 minutes, they get to rest, and they don't have to break down all that food. So when you're fasting, that's what happens. Your body takes time to heal. That's why fasting is one of the greatest miracles on this planet. I'm convinced of that. What's this juice recipe? Let's get on with that. So radishes, one of my favorite things to juice. Now you got to be careful with radishes because they got a really unique flavor. It's they're very strong and they can heat the juice up quickly. So we're only using 4 radishes. Normally when you juice radishes, you want to juice something sweeter like the watermelon to really offset and balance those flavor profiles. Radishes are awesome because they're anti-inflammatory and they're also antifungal, which help clean up parasites, different things in your body that you don't want there. Red cabbage. Red cabbage is loaded with vitamin U, and vitamin U is great at healing the stomach. People with ulcers have reported that juicing red cabbage can actually help dissolve some of those ulcers. Watermelon, this is one of my favorite things with the kidney detox. When you juice this, a lot of people would just cut out the meat, which is loaded with water, which supports your kidneys in detoxing as it is. But when you juice the rind, it's loaded with vitamin A and vitamin C, and also citrulline. Citrulline converts to arginine in your body, which is a powerful amino, especially for the guys in the gym or the girls that go to the gym, they want that pump. Arginine is really going to help you with that. It's going to increase your vascularity and help your kidney detox. Parsley is loaded with one of nature's best carotenoids, and it's absolutely amazing for you. Anti-cancer properties in parsley as well. Cucumbers are awesome, loaded with silica, great for anti-aging, loaded with hydration. But the biggest thing about this recipe is when you add carrots to it. This is loaded with beta-carotene, and together they work at flushing out the body's natural pathways of uric acid. Absolutely unbelievable. It's going to add a nice flavor to the juice recipe as well. We have celery. One of my favorite things. Celery helps flush out the sodium in your body. Great for helping heal up your kidneys. For this recipe, we're doing 4 stalks of celery. We got 1/4 of a watermelon, 1/4 head of red cabbage, 2 carrots, 4 radishes, and 1 cucumber. It's going to help you detoxify your kidneys. This simple juice cleanse recipe is absolutely amazing, but remember, it's not just about juicing. You got to change some other elements of your life too. So if you're constantly chronically stressed, if you're always reaching for coffee, if you're doing things to create a more acidic body, then you probably need to rethink some of those things that you're doing. Maybe do a 5-day detox. That's probably what I would do. And if you want to do one that's hand-guided by us, it's real simple and easy. Just click the link below.
There are many natural therapies available. Combined with appropriate dietary and lifestyle changes, you can both reverse kidney damage and protect from further damage to your kidneys in the future. Get an effective step-by-step program proven to start healing your kidneys today. Take action by clicking the link below. You'd be surprised how well this works.
If you're ready to take action, click on the link below this video now.